Let us understand select statement in details. Like in the previous session, we understood how to create table and users and how to provide privilege in the previous hands-on, right? And one more command like select star from tab. If you just write this command, you will get all the tables listed here, right? Select star from tab. At any time you can say, so in our database, we have two tables in our schema, actually the schema, the user Isaac schema, okay, which I have created in the previous one. Now we are having two table in this database, select star from item, right? Select a star from cells. Now let us have some more query with some condition. So what we can do here, select a star from, or I just disconnect once and I say exit. So let me try here, open SQL prompt again. Okay, this is good now. Now I can say connect, username Isaac, password is pass. Connected. So we are having select a star from tab. We are having two tab. Select a star from item. Select a star from cells. These are the two tabs we are having, right? Now I say here select star. We can select two columns, say item ID, comma, item description from item table. So just two records are coming, isn't it? I say select star from item where quantity on hand greater than 50. I want that item only. So we are giving the condition. So we are getting two item details only. Now I have a four records, right? Because quantity on hand 1980 for 2, rest is 50 and 6, right? Okay. So we can give a where clause here. We can add a more condition here. Select a star from item where quantity should be greater than 50. Okay. And price should be greater than 80. I want to see that record. So both conditions should match, right? So you can notice here we are having two records which is price greater than 80. But once I say select start this and I say greater than 90, then gone, greater than 90, right? So we are having only one record, isn't it? So we are using his AND logical operator. Similarly, you can use OR also. So if any of the condition true, that will get display. Okay, another query like select star from item where where let me see the data what we have. Okay, where quantity on hand in, say I want to display 50 and 80. So display the record who is having quantity on hand 50 and 80 only. Okay, we're getting two results, right? Now we can write select star from item where quantity on hand not in. See, not in what? 50 and 80. Display me that record of item where quantity on hand is not having 50 and 80. Another two one is displaying, right? Getting? So we have used here in operator and not in operator, right? We can do select star from item where, let me try this one, quantity on hand, or say total between 1000 and 2000. Suppose it is saying no records. Let us check the total. So all total is in between 9000, 7000, 4500. Okay, so we can change the logic here. Select a star from item where I say here 5000 to 10,000. Okay, only two records. So we can use between operator here. We can write select a star from item where total not between 5000 and 10,000. Display that record. So we are getting another two records, right? Where total is 4500 and 0, isn't it? So we have understood between, not between, in, not in. Let us use like operator. So select star from item where item or item description, like what, like I don't know the first character what is underscore. Giving underscore means 0 or 1 character, but I know the second letter, it is A, and after that any number of characters, so percent, semicolon. So what you're getting here, Lakme and Lakme, I think it is written two times, so it is coming here, right? So both are coming. Let me try another one. Select a star from item where I don't know the first letter, but second letter I know O, and after that any number of characters, so I'm using here percent, right? Enter. So pounds and gold is coming. Okay, if I say not like, not like, so out of like underscore O which is not matching is coming Lakme, and another Lakme is coming, right? So select star from item. We use like here, we use in operator, we use between, not between. Okay, so we are having several conditions which we can apply it here. Okay, select a star from item where, okay, that I already explained, and operator I have explained to you, or just say here order by, order by, order by what? Item description. So you are getting that Z, L, M, N, O, P, Q, right? L is again here. So it is displaying in the ascending order here. Okay, let us try another one. I say select a star from item, order by total. So I'm getting total here order by 0, then 45, then 72, then 90, right? Means 9,000. Once I want to see the highest one on the top, then what we'll do here? Descending order. We have tried total descending order. Now you can see the 9,000, then 77,000, then 4,000, then 0. So it's all coming in descending order, right? You understood order by, which will display your results in ascending or descending order. By default it is ascending order. So by default it is a ASC, ascending order, right? But if you want descending order, just write DSC for descending order. Okay. Let us add another column here. Alter table item add category. Okay. What type? Varchar 2, size is 20. One column added. If you just say select a star from item, you will get this one column here, category, right? Let me alter table, drop column ROQ. So dropped. Now you can check that. Okay, so this is the status of our table now. Okay. Now I will update the records. Say update item set category equal to cosmetics, where item ID in, say Lakme 2 and 3, 2 comma 3. So both are cosmetic, suppose. I'm just updating. Now again I'll say update item so this is the ornaments, okay, where item ID in, so 1 comma 4. Okay, now I can check your records. So we have updated our table and set category ornaments, cosmetic ornaments, right? Now what I want to do, I want to check how many quantity in ornaments, how many quantity in cosmetics. So what we'll do here, we'll say here select some quantity on hand from item. So it is giving total quantity, but I want to see the sum with category. Can I write like this? No, just see here. If writing this code, you will getting error here. If you are using any aggregate function, and if that aggregate function is having the any other column, you must use group by clause here. So this is a case of group by clause. Then what you have to do here, you have to say group by category. Enter. Now it's very much clear. So earlier it was giving total 226, 226 quantity, but now we are getting cosmetic 130. You can calculate it. Cosmetic 90 here and cosmetic 50. So it is a, sorry, Cosmetic here 80 and 50, 130, and 90 plus 6, it is a 96, right? I'm getting that answer. If some group I want to remove, what group by does actually? It breaks the whole table into multiple groups. So that item table has broken into two groups, cosmetic group and ornaments group, and then they have performed the sum operations separately. But I have a condition here that I don't want to see the quantity less than 100. Then you have to give your having clause, having sum of quantity less than or greater than 100. Enter. Sum of, oh, the column name is wrong here. So quantity on hand, right? So what you're finding here now? Can you notice that? You are getting cosmetic only, that is 130. 96 is not getting displayed here. So similarly, here we have used group by clause and all. Having clause we have used. Now if I say here select, sorry, select max price, maximum price of item from item 100, minimum price of item, it is 90. You want to find the average, just say AVG. 95 is average price of item. You want to find here okay. So average price is 95. You want to count how many items we are having, just say here count star from item, all the item, there's a 4 items only, right? You want to calculate the, say I want to display the item description, comma, quantity into price from item, invalid identifier, just try as quantity, as total. So quantity, it is a quantity on hand actually. Let me try this. So we can do some manipulation here. Plus let us say you want to display some price as a new price here. Then say price. I just say plus 100 rupees. I want to increase with all the item as new price. Sorry, I just say new price here. New price. So earlier it was 100, now it is 200. Earlier it was 90, now it is 190. So 100 has been increased. It has not increased in the table. In the table it is, the data is same. Select a star from item only. Okay. So there's no changes with the, see, price is 100. But you can do in the select clause, you can check if I increase by 100, how much the price. What is the new price, right? So let us say select, or just use this one, insert into new tab. No. Okay. So what we'll do now. Yeah, if I say here select, you want to see the current date, sys date from dual here. You can get the current date, and you have seen that show users and all, right? We can see who is the user, show user you can do. So we understood the aggregate function, how we can use this aggregate function here, right? Sum, max, mean, all we have tried. We have seen group by clause, order by clause, where clause, right? We have seen between, not between operators, all the operators we have seen here, how to work with that. That's all.